Alright, to set your image as a watch face on this Huawei Band 9, you will need to open this Huawei Health app first. Here, make sure that your band is connected to this app, and in that case, you would see the name of your device and its battery percentage. So now you can also see this Watch Faces tab. If you cannot see it, maybe you need to change your region. So go in the More section, like that. Wait a couple of seconds till it will be loading, and here we can just swipe left to go in the gallery. So it just needs to load a couple of seconds, and yes, now we can swipe and select the gallery. So here you can add multiple images to use as a watch face, up to 5 photos. And here, to add photo or edit background, you will need to tap on the plus, select either gallery or just camera, and choose a photo from your gallery. For example, let's choose this cute plant. Now we can adjust its size, and if everything is alright, then use the check mark to confirm the changes. Just like that. Here we can select in which position will be the time, on the top or on the bottom. I prefer in the bottom, and then tap the check mark. Now we can also select the option to edit background, but in my case everything is fine, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now if you would like to add another photo, you need to tap on the plus and go through the same thing once more, and after that you can select this style for your time and for the date, time position, and the time color. Also, you can edit data display, so you can change some of the widgets and enable or disable those features raised to display new image, apply style to all images. So after that step, you just need to tap this button save and wait a couple of seconds till it will be loading. It just needs to load to 100% and it will be applied as your watch face. And yes, here it is. You can see the changes and you can see that it is matched. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.